Libona ugogo Rose beza kuvuma lokho elikho khona uhlala ligoqa izandla. Yangithi angizwa yini. Bophi Jambo, Bophi Jambo. Bophi Jambo sikhabi Shona. Bophi Jambo, Bophi Jambo. Bophi Jambo sikhabi Shona. Bophi Jambo, Bophi Jambo. Bophi Jambo sikhabi Shona. These songs asikuthi zi tribal. Asithi ziyehlukanisa. Ama jokes abesenziwa. Ugogo was never a tribalist. Yikho yela bona farai. Yikho ke abantu ayikhuluma uthi mntanami ule Shona lenkosi le Shona lothufi. So amashona kobulawa lapha akhulele lapha kobulawa ngamashona enkosi abantu abahle kakhulu abedlula izithutha zakho lezi ezingamatsotsi amandebele. Bakithi I don't know where to start. Ngazi ku politics lithi all protocols observe. Angeke liqambe lonke. But first things first. Ngicela lawana basukumela lawana ama councillors lapha. Yami phambili. Hlanga lawe lo sisi lapha. Kethu ngapho bese ngifuka nje. Ngakho la. Laba bantu when Rose passed on Saturday 9:15 emini ngeSaturday in the afternoon. Safona sizamudinga uncedo safonela ubaba wedorobha la kobulayo wathi town clerk wathi fonelana ukhumalo wathi ngiseleave abantu bonke bathi weekend you can't do anything safona kwafika imbiko koma councillors la wonke sikhala ukuthi ugogo must be declared sicela ukuthi afakwe elect stand babe sala abanye khona ngale council noma departments laba bavuka bangifonela bathi siza kuyazama bhala incwadi sayibhala incwadi lo mntana akho Kenny samba sowamelele tower block bathi sebese ku 3rd floor waphuza ke honorable nje abantu be politics uyabuvela usesaba lokubafonela ngamara phana ngo7 ngomvulo ekseni wazowabuya wathi uphuzisela ijakele ngale le court park babuya ke ngo10 safike officeini ka director we housing director housing wathi there must be justification while situ Rose elala ngale leti bhala nini incwadi so sahlala lapha umama lo councillor wakhe wahlala wafaka inyawo phezulu coffee table what is one mama masibinda siphumi la ugogo umela ilalele ethi Stanley madoda lingu5 kuphela labo mama libona ngani bazavuma amanye ama councillors anga hayi bathi bayakwazi ungabafonela ama councillors akho namafoni seciciwe bonke sokusele bona abongu5 laba yibo ke abantu okuthiwa bamele abantu. This is the time when you need your leaders. Thank you very much. Nyabonga kakhulu. Ikakhulu moyo la siyabonga mama. When we select or elect leaders, we need leaders who will fight for the community. You don't need somebody to be a political activist for you to be recognized as a proper citizen or as a hero. So for them, ukubona amakhansila out of 38 kule 5 ababuya athi uzosikhasa uthi ugogo abe lapha khona namhlanje lokuthi aye endaweni yamaqhawe phela indawo lana eledi Stanley yamaqhawe anti liyakwazi akungeni lo bambani. It is because of these people abasupportayo mina lo mfana wami lo singu2 we're not gonna be given but because ngengidlela abagcoba ngayo bagijima babenza ama up and down baku town clerk baye ngale baphenduke babuye ngale sathi sibona sihambe kwaba ngama10 kwazothi ngama3 emini kodwa i-council is resolved ukumdeclare because of these people. Thank you so much. Ugogo bekunzima kakhulu ugogo uthe mfonela ngise akizwa sokumane balibona bathi bacela ulibona futhi lihlale linjalo wathi lihlale linjalo abantu. If it was a political meeting babefuna ukuthi lizogcwala ama meetings abemarali now, but when it comes to helping you alibaboni ugogo ugulile uthe ugogo when I was in Kezi ugogo wafona ngayikhangela ifoni le ngathi lokho kushout futhi ngisathatha indaba zami ugogo wathi samadawu nyagula ngithi wenzeni ukuthi angazi ukuthi ngidleni kuyachisa phakathi lokho ukuchisa angahlata ugogo sometimes nxa ngamboni has got a tendency of complaining ukuthi yena angibuye uzombona So ngacina semphendule ngoba following day ngase siyambona ugogo ngathi ke kuyini wathi sisi uyahlanza yenza yonke into. I asked people from the diaspora uthi ugogo uyagula. I want to thank them so much. We raised imali in this country nxa ungena mali uyafa. Uhlufi one time. Sahamba kuma private doctors besitshela ukuthi hayi ukuthi sikhulume la imali engaka iscan esinye siyi 350 lesi sinye siyi 570 si need ama test. We did ama test afika 21 ama test e blood. Walana phana udokotela lona was very understanding. While you are looking for money, I'll give you a trip, but to attend it to fully you have to pay. So gogo bamnika trip lapana sase siyadinga imali wabuya wathi kahanjise kuma test wahamba ama test wabuya wasibiza wasibalela phamba wathi we seem to have negative. We're thinking ukuthi he's got a problem with kidneys akula lutho. We thought it maybe kule problem with the liver akula lutho. We are seeing, but we need another scan lane July. Sathi yenze wayenza wasebuya wathi hayi ugogo there seem to be amaqhubu enkalakatha phakathi kwamathumba akhe, and they want to do a biopsy and we take isiboni sample. Wabebuya wathi gogo kala cancer. I'm not understanding this. Udokotela wathi hayi my hands are tied now. Ngcono limbiselenga lihambela empilo. We took Gogo home back to Makokoba. Wahlala wafuthela wasitshela abantwana ukuthi ngcono bambisi. Ngafika ngoba sithi bamamse esibhedlela athi amfuni. So I had to force samfaka emoteni samhambisa ke empilo ngoba engezwa kahle. Safika ke empilo laphana ndi ama Rose njengo Rose refused ukuthi attend. Wathi laba basebezombulala la. Bazambulala laba mntanami bazambulala. Sathi hayi gogo yaba right samncenga ama diaspora in South Africa, United Kingdom, Australia, America, Canada, bonke baphuma khona le island bafaka ama 5 pounds 10 pounds imali yakhona sabhadala amadokotela uthi ayembona. Sasifiwe incwadi ngudoktor Kudzanga, is a very nice doctor, ngudoktor Gogo ampreza ngoba wamtshela zonke izinto. Wasekhuluma ukuthi even i-diagnosis ye-sugar, it was a wrong diagnosis. Ugogo kalachukela. So konke lokho elimnati sakhona for the past 4 years ade ngelachukela usalwazi. Sahlala sinjalo finally bam admita. As you know, despite wayefuthelwa wayelokhu ebiza abantu bakhona. Litshela uPastor Clayton ngombone lapha wayengabuyanga. Where is Pastor Clayton? Sithi uyabuya gogo. Athi no, amfuna ukukhulekelwa labo men of God laba befeki lapha. Ngifuna uPastor Clayton angikhulekele. Then she was admitted to the war. Bamfaka ku C1 khona phana. We left there ebusuku wathi Nonafarai. Uyabona kathi simntana uNafarai ulahlile. Nonafarai wafonela uTaboyi. Efuna ukutshela khona we malidazi elikhona lapha bengicela ukuthi please siyakwazi nalabele le mali. Abantu bonke laba bengagula laba kumele bazibonele. Where do you expect a grandmother like Rose to raise imali enga 1.4 for treatment? Sicela ukuthi nxa uthiwa i-free health ayibe free health linceda abadala. Iset into oyibona empilo lapha. Ungahamba kade sigula if you don't have money akula muntu acceptable. And abantu babesithi is free health akula free health babhadala abadala. And abantu bagulelwa bafelwa yabayalisa ukuthi babuye uthiwa is only 2. Yes, I understand ukuthi ule mkhuhlane oCovid, but you cannot say ukuthi abantu bangabona umuntu labangani bakhe. Uthi ukudizwa security eceleni uthi ngena $2 dlula lizulu Nafarai. Ngafika ngakustopa la ukuthi ubhadale wena ngena la kulo blogera. So ukuthi bambona abangani bakhe. All these people be market lab babefuna uyambona uRose, but it was difficult ukungena empilo. Uyagulelwa kodwa uyaliswa. Sicela lezi inkokheli ngama politicians. Please khulumanini ukuthi ama over 65 and all that they should be attended without money being asked. You can't say awula bhuku kanti umika embhalise libhuku ngale ngapho umuntu uyafuthelwa lona kambambe ngela bhuku. Kuthiwa mfuna ukubona ibhuku sebhadele yini. And then again, first of all, you have to go and clear. Sithi ugogo is over the age inkazana. Umkazana oh by the way, so asambeni le waiver ngale. Kuqondo khona ukuthi okuya waiver kuhlalo khona ngale ngapha simile ukuthi waiver ukuthi ugogo angabhadali empilo. It's a sad state of affairs. We can't allow that as a country. This is 21st century. Sicela inkokheli zethu sizama ukuthi zilwe ezitshintshisa imithetho enjalo. You are not fighting any system, but you're fighting to correct the wrong things. Ikomele libekwazi. Amadokotela futhi sicela ukuthi likhulume lawo. MPs, councillors, lani likhulumana ukuthi abantu esibhedlela. Lingahlali licela ama trucks imoto zama 4x4 kuphela. Khulumelana abantu futhi ukuthi abantu badubele. Ngoba siyakwazi ukuthi ngama bickering. I haven't seen an MP who stand up and say, I'm coming from Pararinat Hospital, Umpilo Hospital, this is what is happening. Angakuboni lokho, because you don't need rocket science ukuhamba lapha ezibhedlela esibhedlela. Uyamuzimele nje ubone okwenzakala ukuthi ubone chaos. A doctor comes drunk and say, chichi umnetha uhlutshwa yini ugogo. All right, but nasi hambalenza ama-test. Senza ama-test, uthi amtshela ukuthi same test esiyenza izolo phela. Athi for today, go and do it. And then what they do is, bakubhalela iphepha for his friends. Labo testwa khona emnganini wakhe. You have to go there. Uye-test endaweni yomngani wakhe. So it's a fundraising using the disadvantaged people, the vulnerable people. Ngoba bakuthumela ukuthi hambe testa endaweni enje ubuye lama results akhona. You go there engathi uhamba mali umuntu athi oh lama test $50 ubhadala $50 akwenze. Yet you did them yesterday. So mina into le ngithathile into ngiyibone ezibhedlela zethu awukho right. Angifuni ukuchitha isikhathi esiningi. Ugogo when I first met ugogo kwakuse market nje ukuthi abantu elitshelile ngangi-interview abantu just to see how uthi i-market ihamba njani lokugcwala khona abaningi axoxa labo la. So Thabani wayexoxa wasethutsha uRose. If you all know the video yaseHlothi mina nginguRose Nyathi nyadubeka mntanami lambile imlomo emhlophe yonke into. That was the beginning of the change for uGogo Rose. Into zakhe lamtshitsha lelo langa. People came out in numbers. Samncedisa. We stopped uGogo from selling amaqanda. Sathi you are too old to be walking the streets. Abanye benalimncisha imali yakhe amarandi akhe i-R1 yakhe ngathi uyayifuna. Lithi zakuroba Gogo zakuchaya. Ugogo ubalwela ama-vendors jwalisile. I don't want to repeat that. But umuntu engamthontisi unafarai. Whatever was happening unafarai. Mntanami intandane. Simthathe bayakulwa baphikisana ngesishona lesindebele babo. Kodwa ngikwazi ngithule ngithi zwi bedlala. Ayekudla ezindaweni eziningi. Even ngathi segula uthe mntanami unafarai. Take over unafarai. Unafarai umfelokazi. Uyafuna ukuncediswa. Akala stand. Unafarai is a disabled lady, but she runs carrying into zakhe sethathelwa ngumakhokobo. Again, city council yakoBulawayo, they speak about this in campaigns, ukuthi will fix and give ama-market people ama-base, but they don't do it when they are voted in. Bazithulela. Abantu be-market bahlalisene in an orderly way, like uRose wanted. Libanika ama-stand bonke, bangabe bexotshaniswa. Ngoba liyalimazisa abantu abadala. Bagijima lapana bawe bebaleka lezinto zabo running away. Lingabanika so that they have business. Kungabi crowded. Sometimes uzuhawukela ukuthi ke tojile bayangabula bomlando ngabe into le bayilungisa. Khona abantu nxa likhona banike nama-stand kube sorted and then bathengise in an orderly way like esikubona kwamanye amazwe in South Africa. If I had powers, I would have changed u-Fifth Avenue. Ngamvala complete ngemota ngahle ngafaka eTareni ngafaka ama-stand from khona la zagcina kuRobert Mugabe siyela kulobhengula so that street abantu bangene bewoka bathenge kuhle ngoba abantu lana baminyene yiko ngabe into kwenzakala close Fifth Avenue lani road imoto ziphaka ema-sidini zizothenga kuyaba le order koBulawayo into engenzakala but as long as imoto zihamba omunye afike umbazo that they were driving karate truck afika wazimela emgwaqweni siyadlula ngaphi imbazo efuna ukuthenga amatomatisi so lingayenza into lezana ukuthi ke lihathe emaceleni lapha umgwaqo wahle faka ama-stalls for everybody kusiyakhonale kuyaba ngcono kakhulu liwanihambe nandi vala Fifth Avenue alilali tshintshe lifaka amabizo name Fifth Avenue as Rose Avenue. Right. All right. Before I want to recognize all the people came in here. Siyabonga Highlanders, team Gogo Rose. Siyabonga Highlanders who is here. Thank you very much leadership Highlanders. Lompangazita la kodwa phana yabe khona la. Sithanda ulibonga kakhulu Gogo Machabalala. Thank you very much. Ngosusela uphamisa umsebenzi. Omele uBulawayo. Ubulawayo ufuna ukumelwa. Siyabonga. Enye into omele ninanzele bakwethu. When people say simele uBulawayo, is including all of you. It's not saying ngimele amandebele kuphela. It's waiting for the city of Bulawayo. When we live in Bulawayo, you're paying the rates, you are a Bulawayan person. Yikomela ukuthi la umlondolozi uBulawayo ukuthi ungene emkotweni usiyazirelieve usiyenzana la kuGogo Rose ukuthi bazalela khona abamntanami ema-cardboxini. Omunye ngumbelethile ngambelethisa khona phana ngathi ekhaya wathi usemondoro ngithi umntwana uzamnika ibizwe elithini wathi anisandaziba so uGogo ayekutsho but abantu la nxa bebele kobulali ngabanika indawo zabo kube kuhle ikwakukhalela uRose. Once you're in Bulawayo, stop thinking about home, think about your city and invest in your city. Bhatala ama-rates yonke into utshengisa ukuthi uyayithanda. Siyabonga kakhulu sizobonga ke ama-twins oGogo lana bakhona lapha uGogo ama-twins abangani babo bangaba boGogo ama-twins sukumane balibona abantu nakama-twins ayathandwa nguRose bajavela Mother's Day. Siyabonga. Malume Mr. MC, Umalume Jones, wayethanda ngoRose. Favorite yakhe Umalume Jones. Thank you very much Malume for conducting umsebenzi. Sithanda ukubonga ubaba uDumisane Ncube. Ugogo wayengadlali ngoDumisane. Lapha ngizabatshelela uDumisane la. Lapha ngifuna ubatshelela uDumisane lozakhawula. Thank you very much. Sizobonga Honorable Surrender. Bezwakala ke ubuyisile ukudla ugogo kakwazi. Uthi ungenzele lokho kuthiwa angisakwazi umntana wathiwa kumbe ibhakisi kumbe kuyini inibhakisi kuyini khona akubuye thabana ukhuluma wamvulela inibhakisi emthumezela imali yokuya esibhedlela agent wayithumezela via inibhakisi lawo. Sithanda ukubonga ama councillors akobulawayo. Ngithanda ukubonga iSwiss umnikazi weSwiss bus. When I was looking for ama buses zokuthwala abantu uthezwana I'm suspending one of my coaches going to South Africa today. So ngizakunika ibhasi coach yeSwiss njona libone phandle Swiss mchallenge. Yeah. Sibonga ubaba uNkumlondo umzukulu la usinika ibhasi kathi ungasukuma kubona ukuthi umchallenge andle baba siyabonga kakhulu. Pastor Clayton le Baptist Church ugogo uthi wayengena eChurch zabo Men of God wasebona lapha kulekhiwa khona wahlala nansani church. Ugogo lapha kulekhiwa khona she believes it all right. Yiko wathi mntanami angikuthandi lokho uyiphathi lokho kukathamisa kodwa ngenxa yaleli ikhiwa phela zwani lekaka ngiyathanda uColtat. Amfunda ukubona kodwa hayi siyaba kakhulu. Sizoba nga Pastor Clayton akusume bakubona abantu umchallenge and Pastor stand. Nguyu pastor kaGogo lo nguye wenza uGogo hlala eChurch uGogo feeding ama widows feeding ama street kids. It was because of this Baptist church. Thank you very much. I want to thank Kingdom Blue. This is what we want. We want a company which invests back ebantwini bayo. The Bulawayo people should benefit, regardless who it is. I want to thank abantu market bonaba. Ugogo wayethethe ipolice Kingdom Blue be group be market. Bagama groups. So Kingdom Blue approaches them. Martin Jonas market la. Hlanganani in groups of 10 libhadala police. Ugogo yethe police nxa lingakwazi. Kingdom Blue ibe yayi upgrade kuphela. Just nika ke imota ke ezwayo lana libonile the trail against. Thank you very much. Then Liverpool fans FC around the world. Libonile, those who follow Liverpool, if you have gone to their social media page, Enkulele about 56 million. Rosnyat was mentioned. There's a picture of Rosnyat in that. So Zambona, Bate Kokona, rest in peace. Bekulma, I had to talk about Liverpool, but Koko, Bestabana Mnang, Arsenal, Patagolanda. So I'm a Ipiri events for decoration. Sabonga Mambazo in the team. Desmond Tini, all media houses, Abakona Abazos cover, including Opi Metro, Labo Chronically, Sambono Phil, Ganome Kulumani, FM, Bonke Bakona, La Manima radio station, Nangaba Bongota Bakona, Lechakal Talala. Thank you very much, media houses. Why with this was a wish. Why Kulumini Samatao, T-shirt Yam Leg, Ipiweo, with Charles Simple for Liverpool, we fuck a part. Forget Goga. Nangi Goga mfika nhlalo lo washi ubaba wokheni ngifuna ubuza ukuthi uyinja wena ombalekelelana kodwa impama enza mfaka yona linganilamuli ngifuna umfaka impama wangichiya indoda epomba ukufa nje efa easy ehle kunathi imitha amaphilisi nguGogo Rosemary libonile nje udecorate ngeLiverpool yonke into because we had to do her wishes. I want to thank those nurses who called in the morning of 8 o'clock uthi uGogo uyakubiza simangela